Should be seeing that Toby wants the ball. Cooper plays coy. Toby's like, just be casual, act normal. You know, I don't really want it. Just gonna walk over here slowly. You know, just glancing. I'm gonna take it when I want to. Toby, where's the ball? See, he says it's right there, bitch. Cooper, what's worth more, pets or the ball? So you know what? I'm doubling down, bitch. This is my ball. I don't know, Toby. Part 2. Here we are. Alright, Toby, look. I'm going to pet you very lovingly. Cooper's going to get jealous. Don't worry, he can hear us. He's going to come over here to get pets, and you're going to get the ball. Plan? Okay. Oh my gosh, Cooper! Oh, Toby! The ball's right open! Go get it! Yes! We fooled you. But you're still sweet. Toby's like, look at this bitch. See what I got?